subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Lava Blaze 2 back in April last year, the company has now launched the upgraded version of it as Lava Blaze 2 Pro. Now let's see the specifications of the Lava Blaze 2 Pro smartphone. The Lava Blaze 2 Pro features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone houses a triple camera setup at the top left corner that includes an 50-megapixel main camera, along with the 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by UniSoC T616 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 256 GB via dedicated microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 out of the box, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163 by 75.2 by 8.5 millimeters, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Lava Blaze 2 Pro has been priced in India at 9,999 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in the country in Cool Green, Thunder Black, and Swag Blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Lava Blaze 2 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Oh,